So here we are, Bangla Road. Start walking down during the day, just see what it's like, and then we can see what happens at night time. So we've been Bangla Road before, let me know in the comments. Tell me where's to stay, where's to avoid along the strip. So we've got an Irish pub there. I did clock it earlier on and it was 449 baht for the Guinness. Bit too expensive for me, that. There we go, the Irish pub. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as well. I really appreciate it. Especially as it helps my channel to grow. And as I learn YouTube more, my videos will probably get better too. So as you can see, it's Chinese New Year. Exchange rate down here, I know it's 38 baht per pound. But you can get it elsewhere a lot better. That's the Keys Hotel down there, Key Plaza. The work going on. Just as managed on a day here. That's the first time I've ever been down here. Look at this, street food. Look at that. Look at the catfish.
100, big size 100.
Looks good, doesn't it? Fruit shakes and stuff, fresh fruits. Just to try and avoid some of the bars here. Don't want to get a copyright strike. We'll try to talk over it as much as I can. So we're coming towards the end now. So that's just a quick tour. Not been bombarded either, minded as much. But like I did say earlier, I have walked around up here before and a few people tried to grab me into the bars. All your fake stuff there, if you want your fake stuff. Look through here, it's down here. It's a food hall. It's down there. Okay, so come back later on and I'll film Bangla Road at night time. Look at these for ladders, bamboo ladders. Look at that, bamboo ladders. Happy with it? Okay, if you like that, then give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, as it all helps my channel to grow. Okay, see you later.